Up the pub. Hi, my name is Ross and you are watching the FlowZone instructional series. Today we'll be unboxing a brand new FlowZone Typhoon 2 Professional Series backpack sprayer. So let's get started. Always be sure to read the operation guide to any of your FlowZone products before you start operation. Your backpack sprayer will come with a set of heavy-duty straps, including 2 stainless steel clips, a high-pressure spray gun, a stainless steel 18-inch quick connect wand, a battery charger, comes in a brown cardboard box and in 2 parts, as well as, of course, the 18-volt battery. Last but not least, the sprayer itself, the Typhoon 2. Most importantly for your backpack sprayer is the backpack straps. Be mindful that you do have a left strap and a right strap that curve around the body as such. The FlowZone Series 2 professional backpack sprayers do have 2 locations on which you can affix the straps. There's the original location on the back of the sprayer here, as well as a set of loops on top of the sprayer for big and tall individuals. So pick the location that works best for you. To affix the strap, take the top of the backpack strap here, run it through the bottom of the loop, then through the back of the fitting here, and down through the top. Just like that, it's attached. And of course, do the same for the other side. To affix the straps to the bottom of the sprayer, simply take your stainless steel clasp and put it through the front of the unit to the back of the loop, as so. Now with the backpack straps attached, we can affix wand holsters to the side of the unit. Your wand holsters, as well as your spray tips, can be found underneath the lid in the filter basket. The unit will come with a top holster, the bottom holster cup, and the nuts and bolts for those holsters, as well as your spray tips, will be included in a clear plastic baggie. The wand holsters do feature hexagonal slots on one side that you can fit the nut into for easy fastening. While holding the nut on the other side, insert your screw, and with a Phillips head screwdriver, fasten the holster to the side of the unit. The top holster has 2 slots in which you can affix the extra nozzles that you're not using. Now that we've attached the backpack straps and the wand holsters to the sprayer, we need to connect the spray gun and the wand to the unit. Take the threaded fitting on the end of the hose and attach the spray gun. There's a gasket inside the wand fitting, so be sure to bring this down tight so that you have a good waterproof seal from the hose to the gun. The guns and wands on FlowZone Professional Series units feature a brass quick connect fitting. To use these fittings, pull back on the collar of the female fitting and insert either the wand or the tip into that fitting, and then while pressing down on the wand or the tip, bring the collar home. Insert then your spray tip in the same fashion, and you're all but ready to spray. Finally, before spraying, we just need to install our 18-volt battery. Yours will come partially charged, but we do recommend fully charging your battery before your first spray. To install the battery, pull down on the tab at the top of the water-resistant battery cover, slide your battery down into the slot, listening for the click, and then of course replace the cover. So with that, we fully assembled the FlowZone Typhoon 2 Pro Series backpack sprayer. Thanks for watching.